Hey, what's up community? It's KJ here from KnappyHair.com, and I'm going to show you what comes with your 18-inch natural coarse clip-in set. I'm going to show you the amount of pieces that come with your set and everything that comes inside your box. So let's get started. When you open your box, you're going to see a hair care card. Now, your hair care card gives you the steps that you need so that you can get the best outcome with your clip-in set. I highly recommend that you follow all the steps that I've listed in the hair care card. Inside the box is your set of clip-ins, and also what comes with it is a satin hair bag. In the satin hair bag is your complimentary weft sealer, and I will show you how to apply this to the back of your clip-in wefts. You will also receive 2 additional clips. The additional clips are here just in case one of your clips comes loose. With anything that you use over time, sometimes your clips can come loose, so I will show you in another video how to attach your clips to your clip-in wefts. Now that I have this clip-in set open, I am going to show you all of the pieces that come in this 18-inch natural coarse clip-in set. So your longest clip-in weft is your 5-clip weft, and you receive one of these in this set. You receive 2 4-clip wefts. The 4-clip wefts are a little bit shorter than the 5-clip weft, and 2 of these come in this set. You also receive 2 3-clip wefts, and the 3-clip weft is a little bit shorter than the 4-clip weft. And I want to show you half of the set right here, what 5 clip-in wefts from this set looks like. This is a lot of hair, and you can create a ton of hairstyles just with half of this set. The remaining clip-in wefts in this set are 2-clip wefts. You have 3 2-clip wefts that are a little bit longer than the last 2 clip wefts. So this is the remaining 5 clip-in wefts that come with this 18-inch set. And this 18-inch set has a total of 10 clip-in wefts. The goal of a clip-in set is to cover your whole head. So this set is a full set of clip-ins, and the differences and the length of clip-in wefts are here to let you use the clips however you need to cover your hair. Now that we've gone over all of the pieces that come in this set, I want to mention that this set in total has 7 ounces of hair. Now that 7 ounces of hair is measured prior to the weight of the clips. The clips do add a little bit of weight to the set, but this set has 7 ounces of hair. Because this set is natural coarse, to see the full length of the hair, you need to stretch the hair. How we make this set is we start with straight hair that is 18 inches. So for you to see the full 18 inches, you need to stretch the hair, and I'm going to show you how. If you've purchased a texture match kit, you already have received a complimentary measuring tape. As you can see, I hold the measuring tape right up to the top of the weft, and you just gently pull the hair, and when you do that, you can see that once the hair is completely straightened, this is how you will see the full 18 inches. Now, the hair will probably stretch a little bit more after it's been shampooed, conditioned, and blow dried. And you can follow all of those steps in your hair care card. So the clip-in set is designed to cover your whole head. And that is the reason why the clip-in wefts have different widths. So you get one clip-in weft that has 5 clips, 2 clip-in wefts that have 4 clips, 2 clip-in wefts that have 3 clips, and a total of 5 clip-in wefts that have 2 clips. There is 3 for this width and 2 for this width. As you can see, these 2 clip wefts are a little bit shorter. All right, community, now you've seen everything that comes with your 18-inch natural coarse clip-in set. Comes with 10 clip-in wefts. You receive a complimentary satin hair bag to store your hair, plus 2 additional clips. You also receive the complimentary weft sealer. Now, I show you in another video, which you're seeing here, of how to apply weft sealer to the back of your clip-in weft. In this portion of the video, I'm using a kinky coarse set, but the application of applying weft sealer is the same. You apply it to the back of your clip-in weft. Weft sealer is the first step in prepping your clip-ins for use. After you seal your wefts, this is when you will shampoo, condition, and blow dry your hair. You don't want to use the clip-ins prior to sealing your wefts and prior to shampooing and conditioning. And all of this is listed in your hair care card that comes with your purchase. I think of weft sealer as nail polish. You just brush it on lightly and just onto the stitching. Weft sealer is a form of glue. We're adding an additional bond to the weft. The bond is to help the hair stay intact because this is machine made. Okay, so you can see how quick and easy that was just to add weft sealer to the back of your clip-in weft, and you just repeat that on all of your clip-ins. So after you seal your wefts, make sure you follow all of the steps on the back of your hair care card, which is shampoo, condition, and blow dry your hair. And I'll show you all of those steps in another video.